What's up, everybody? It's your boy Cincere, and you're tuned in to Tap Milwaukee, and this is Split. Yeah. Let's do it like this, right? Fussing and fighting all day any chance we get, and neither of us really trying to work it out. Blaming each other for each and everything we did, and both of us are thinking about walking out. He said that all you need is time from me, when you know that that's not it. Girl, I swear the situation's getting out of hand. And girl, I know I hurt you in the past, but don't forget you hurt me too. So I'ma tell you what I think the both of us should do. We should about face, call it quits and change the message on our house phone. The love we share ain't strong enough. You say you hate me, I yell back I can't stand you. It's like they cut our heart into pieces. So girl, we might as well just split. Sure, we had some good times, true, we had some bad, but never in a million years did I think that you would wanna up and leave me. But now I know for sure, cause it don't feel the same no more. Stop using the same excuses, knowing that's not it. Say that all you need is time from me, when you know that that's not it. Girl, I swear the situation's getting out of hand. And girl, I know I hurt you in the past, but don't forget you hurt me too. So I'ma tell you what I think the both of us should do. We should about face, yeah. You say you hate me, hey. Our heart into pieces. We should about face, call it quits and change the message on our house phone. The love we share ain't strong enough. And you say you hate me, see, this is the final chapter of a love that should have never been, and I wish I could have seen it coming. So blinded by the love that had broken all the rules, and so I don't feel like I'm overreacting. Time after time we done each other, and don't wanna ever live this lie again. Wanna see somebody fit up, girl, just look at me. No more the pleasant conversations, don't care if I ever see your face again. I'm glad this bad dream has come to an end. Yeah, you say you hate me, yell back you can stand me, baby. Hey, call it quits. Said you wanna make me change it. Hey, yeah. Like they cut our heart into pieces. So girl, we might as well just split.